Hey everybody, we're outside Freshens, where we get that and that. So today I'm gonna order, what's my favorite fruit? Okay, I have lots of favorites, but that's the one I'm gonna order. Orange sunrise that has mixed with orange sherbet blended with pineapples, strawberries and bananas and booster. So let's try it out. And I'm gonna order a pizza from Chef's Pier. So these are the ones they provide. So let's look up. It says each slice is $2.35 and the deluxe is $2.75. So this is how they look. Very fatty and fluffy, tasty as fuck.
Is that a school project? Like a class project?
No, it's just a YouTube channel. Now you're on my YouTube channel.
No, we
Oh,
out.
haha.
We out.
That's cheese. And that's, oh, they didn't have pepperoni. So I'll wait for pepperoni. Some really good pizzas from Chef's Pier. It's really one of the most popular pizza stations around US. So let's try the pepperoni. I ordered the pepperoni here. It's warm and hot. And there's cheese. So let's try it out. Okay, the smoothie, it's actually orange flavor and it has berries in it, pineapple and watermelon. Really tasty. It really kind of like tastes so good. Like all mixed. Like if you just take a sip, you can feel the taste of all the fruits in it. So go and try and have it. Okay, let's get ready to eat it. It's too oily. I think that's olive oil. Yeah, it is olive oil. It's like every time I have to use a tissue to clean off the oil on my fingers. So it looks like the pepperonis are too much fried. Crispy. I just don't like it when it's too crispy. But still tastes good though. Sometimes, you know, the cheese, they really kind of like fall out. I just hate that. It's just not so unfair, you know, like it's killing the taste. It kills the vibes of the taste. The best part of the pizza is just like this part, the crust, the corners. It's kind of, this one's like kind of puffy than the others, but I gotta check the other type of pizza out to see the difference between the just pear and this one. Hey, so I finished having the pepperoni. It kind of like tasted good, like too much olive oil sprinkled on it, you know. So forget that. I already ate it, consumed it, you know. So let's try the cheese pizza one. This one looks pretty perfect for a cheese pizza. Tomato sauce all pasted over and cheese. Let's try it. It's very tangy, the tomato. I think I should order. I'm sorry, I'm chewing. I think I should order another one. The more the puffier the pizza is, the more it's good. Like cotton, look, bread, like peep poo, peep poo, peep poo. I like it when it's puffy. I don't think this is pure Italian, but you know, they say that original pizzas are from Italy. This is more like American though, but tastes good. Finished eating, so I would really like to, you know, say that it's pretty average, not bad. I give it a 7 out of 10 for the pizzas, and for this one I give it out 8 by 10. So try it out. Just look at check it out. Oops, sorry. Sorry. Sorry once more. So check it out. The freshens, smoothies, and Chef Pirate's pizzas. It may be probably around you, so you know, just Google it. I don't have to tell you everything. I'm just kidding. Okay, so that's a wrap. Thanks for watching, and please do like, share, and subscribe my channel.